Well, me tell you about garden. Don't get no expect no flowers. Crazy shootout with 5 hours. Prezi and the click them no deal with bowers. No hours whenever it rain it showers.
Pussy, a long time I know you. I know you from the Rats and Cats days. The Rats and Cats war. When TG and Rima a war and Jungle team up with Rima. You think you get away from me? I know you must say, yo, countryman, come off my name. No, I tell you something. You nah get away. Yo, a 3 option me I give you in a Shotty mark. A 3 option me I give you. I nah play with you. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. Big shout out to all of the subscribers them. See, cause me see sound active on the channel and thing. Me respect that, yo. So everybody big up themselves. See, Shotty Mark, a long time I know you know. Rats and Cats, you remember that? You know where the Rats and Cats is? We just have to leave it at that. TG and Rima, may I leave it at that. You see what I say? But may I tell you something about you? You's a woman serial killer. And you need to turn in yourself. Titty man them want you. Or turn yourself into the police. Hey boy, Shotty man. You have to take a stance. You see from you run away from Western Kingston. You don't see no woman are dead. And maybe one woman dead. Or 2. And a far in between. Through stray bullet. Or something like that. Or they are the wrong place. But when you did that, all them 2 sisters there, can remember that on the news, you know. You are a woman serial killer. You think me don't know what you do? Me I tell you what you do. You think you can come back at night time and screechy and dip on the block on the night? Me know say that you do. And we have put camera there for catch you. So you have to come off of the block there. You understand? And give back the woman her car. You understand? You think you can park that up? Me I tell you, turn in yourself, my youth. You want pussy. No. You see that youth here? Me I tell you something about him. Him, you know say him a labor right? And you have a PMP big man. You know say him and the PMP big man used to grind. Yeah. Him think people don't know say him a bisexual, yo. Yo. Him a JLP, you know. And him and a PMP big man a grind. Anybody will know you from them time there know say I no lie me I tell. Cause I pure facts. You see me I say? That youth here is a sicko. Let me tell you my youth, me I take a stance for black sisters them where you kill off. And for the poor people them dog. You understand? Me have to take a stand. Yo, you see the money where you take from Prezi? What make you know? Send it back go to Jamaica and keep something for the youth them. All you do is send money give man and them I buy Tommy Hill boxer and bleaching cream. You understand? I bleach out in the skin. You used to bleach and you stop bleach because you try to change up your appearance. And more time you use the thing and touch up your grey eyebrow and them thing there. Because him eyebrow grey now. But him use one marker and touch up him eyebrow before him come out. You understand? And all him beard and them thing there. Because him a try disguise himself. But we know you. And we not stop. You understand? Until you get the hell out of there, yo, my youth. Turn in yourself. Shotty Mark. Me know say you love Obia. And you have your guard ring. And me know you probably try Obia me. But me have something for you. You know what me have for you? Psalms 91. He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide underneath the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and he's my fortress. My God, in him will I trust. Surely he shall deliver thee from the snare of the fowler, and from the noisome and pestilence like you pussy. Yo, me a double back. Me a want all of the girls them, the one where they are Connecticut. Run him out of your house. Baby, take your Benz from him. You understand? And you see, your baby mother will have the youth them fear. She fi take a stand and start make the youth them turn in a drug dealer. You understand? And run you. But me know them afraid of you. But yo, wanna take a stand. You understand? That boy yeah, I want dangerous boy. Look at the screen in front of you. This is a subscriber. And they make a comment about Shotty Mark. Listen to what them say. Them say, countryman, you on point. The boy kill enough woman. The first time we hear say, the big man send him to kill a woman. She's a witness, and him kill the wrong woman, and them send him back to kill the right woman. Shotty Mark, a woman killer for true. You hear that? That a come from somebody who came on the site and make a comment about this guy. Yo, like him a try work for me, you know. Cause me I say, Jano, today me feel tired and thing, and me I say, Jano, me I for get some blue. So me go get some blue and some lime and will I wash off, yo. I know me catch back my vibes again. Yo, Shotty Mark, you never know say, countryman with a dip on your case. Look at all of the woman them you kill, and you think say, you go come in the Bronx, and there, and I make money, and I send it, go give some little bleach out face boy them at Jamaica, and I create for fuck with my youth. My youth, you for turning yourself, my youth. You for turning yourself, you hope you can't work for me. You understand? Shotty Mark, may I talk to the Puerto Rican woman where you rent the room from? Look on the screen, everybody. It say, Mommy, do you know that you have a serial killer living in your house? Now, me ask it in English so you can understand it. But me I play it for Mommy. And me I ask her in Spanish. Listen to this.
Mami, sabes que tienes un asesino en serie viviendo en tu casa.
Shotty Mark, pussy. See there? Hear me just ask her in Spanish. You want me play it again? May I play it again? May I play it again? Mommy, do you know you have a serial killer live in your house? Listen to this.
Mami, sabes que tienes un asesino en serie viviendo en tu casa.
Shotty Mark, you think you can't go hide at your brother? Eh? Me know enough things about your brother, you know. And me I tell your brother, yo, any of him come round here, you know, you better run him, you know, and make him go turn in himself, you know, cause you not stay like him, you know. I know you're a good youth. You understand? But, you see, any of me here same day at your yard, me I go start reveal certain things about you. And you not gonna like it. I want you. And your brother me I want. Shotty Mark, you're not smarter than countryman. You think you can screech around there at night time and boy you eat food? Lift up my youth, you're a pussy. You see what me I say? Yo, justice for the people them. And for the woman them where you kill off. All of the woman them in a Western Kingston. Yo, you see when you Lego and the man them run you from out of Western Kingston? And less woman are dead, you know. And that me I tell you, you know. And who not believe me, look it up. You understand? Look it up. Yo, that youth here, one time, you know, he might ride a bike. And him drop off of the bike. And some man dead there and one of the youth them laugh. And you know, so him shot the youth and kill the youth. Him shot the youth and kill the youth. Some young youth them dead there chill. I saw him stay. Me I tell you now. Serial woman killer, you understand? And poor people killer, the boy. My youth, nobody think say you can go around this at night time. You understand? And me I tell the girl I Connecticut. Get him out of your house. He might try use different car and come in. No, that nah work. Get him out of your house. You understand? The Benz woman, take back your Benz. Me not see the Benz round there. You understand? And me I tell you, Shotty Mark, me dip on your case. You understand? A part 6 a come. Nobody thinks I'm done with you, pussy. I want to big up all of my subscribers them. I want to big up all of the people that me are link me from all over the world. See? I'm a respect. I'm a thank you. See? But guess what? Shotty Mark, you're pussy. Turning yourself to Titty Man them star. Or turning yourself to the police. And about that thing said, you can't go around there night time in a different car. Countryman dip on your blood clot case.